For our film, we believed that the thing that was mostly going to attract our audience of 15 and over was the storyline, and of not knowing who the attacker is, and also how the characters are really relatable to the audience. The first thing that we thought that will attract our audience is the tension and suspense of not knowing who the killer is, but throughout the film giving hints at who it may be, and them kind of putting all the pieces together to who they think it is, and obviously this engages the audience and wanting them to keep watching after the first 2 minutes, which obviously we wanted the audience to watch it more, and that was the aim of the film. We wanted the feeling of the audience trying to solve the mystery of who the attacker is. Throughout the opening, we wanted to give a slight hint of who it may be. For example, when her friend gives her the coffee, and then at the end of the opening, when she has a flashback and sees him and then looks at the coffee, it kind of gives away that she maybe realised who he is, and maybe he's a liar and he might be the attacker. Things like that we put in on purpose to keep the audience kind of on the edge of the seat and engaged, and giving the suspense of not knowing who the killer is, which obviously was really important to get across. Another thing that was important to attract the audience is having the characters at the similar age as the audience, so that they were relatable to them. And having a female lead character as the victim is like really relatable to the audience, because they would know how she's feeling, so it would feel like the audience would be going through the journey with her, sort of thing. Also, using a male antagonist attracted the audience because they are normally used in thriller films, and this would not be a normal thriller film, like a rare occasion, if a male wasn't the antagonist. So this is what the audience would expect, so we had to put it in there. So again, this is what attracted them, and also how they can relate to the characters and how they are feeling. Also, not knowing who the killer is, which gives tension and suspense, which is really important to see in thriller films to attract our target audience.